Hi guys, and this video I will discuss Waite statement, and three types of weights are available: thread.sleep and implicit weight and explicit weight. What uses of thread and implicit weight, explicit weight? What is uses? What is purpose? What is behavior? All the things I will discuss this video. And first of all, thank you for watching, and please subscribe my channel. And so many videos I will mouse over and frames and all of so many videos I will providing this description. You check it out all videos, and thank you for watching. And first of all, wait statement is a wait statement is only for any kind of application, any kind of Selenium coding is written, and wait.sleep is a just wait and no other activities, just wait the statement. And implicit wait is a overall all page is weighted in, and explicit weight is only for condition, only for functionality weighting, only for particular functionality weight. And implicit weight whole application, whole page is a weight. And this thread or slip only for wait statement. I will explaining practically, you'll understand more. And I will create one class. That particular class name is tc 0009 Waite statement. That statement enable to public static void main class, and control V. I will paste it, and previously you I will copy just some code, and this code is, and I will write this code, but the video is very lengthy. That's the reason I will copy paste this, and small descriptions are there. We'll change that. Yeah, and let's import particular packages. That particular packages I will import it. And first of all, import some packages. And thread.slip not importing any package, just throws exception adding in main method. And first we import open pen QA Selenium support UI expected condition and arg.expected conditions. These are the weight packages, and let's wait packages and enter narishati and webdriver.wait and webdriver.wait object is created. Wait new webdriver.wait and driver duration of seconds. This particular driver is a Chrome driver. We are using Chrome driver. That particular Chrome driver is during of 3 seconds. 3 seconds wait that particular activity, and after is ready to run and submit. And driver.manage or time.c is a particular activity, is particular condition to wait that particular main method. These the main things. We are import explicit wait, implicit wait difference. This is the implicit wait is wait, click login button and wait 3 seconds, and and what the reason of wait statement are entering the picture, and any I will enter Google Mitra, sorry, Amazon Prime, and I will enter this particular Amazon. I will enter this particular Amazon, but this not exactly not speed server, and this particular element not loading very less time. That's the time that we are programmed not to wait that particular time not wait, and enter the next execution started. That next execution is error is finding. That's reason is accepting wait statement. This wait statement 3 seconds of any element loading, wait 3 seconds. After wait 3 seconds, and this is particular implicit wait is only for activity, and this is a wait is a, this is a explicit wait. This is like implicit wait. This implicit wait waiting for particular functionality. That particular functionality anytime activated, that the difference between two differences, and these the differences of wait statement. Two wait statements are there. Explicit implicit is the main things, and thank you for watching, and please subscribe my channel.